Lieutenant, are we ready?
Yes, sir. Ship has full power and we're operationally ready.
Excellent.
This is WFS Consortium requesting permission to leave port.
Custodian, you are cleared to leave on Alpha Red.
Connie, give me 25% stabilization.
I see. Mr. Sanchez, I've been protecting you and this property for years now. But all good things must come to an end. It's time for you and your family to move on.
Sherry, give me an update on that AI upgrades.
Can you please just hit the DIO converter switch, Captain? Oh, come on. Get a team, they say. It'll make your life easier, they say. Oh my gosh. Sherry, you should delegate. I'm delegating to a bunch of dummies. Can you please let the engineers of this ship know that water and computer components do not go together?
Flaps. Check. Engine. Check. Control surfaces. Check. And now, my check.
Round 36, sir.
Attention all personnel, we are under attack. All non-essential personnel, find a seat and buckle up. It's gonna get bumpy.
Lieutenant, command the battle station.
I know damn well they ain't messing with my ship. I'm gonna kill somebody.
What the hell? It's just business. And action.
Yeah, here's the screen. It's a 32-inch. Go ahead.
32 inches.
All right.
All clear. I see my target. There he is. There's Henry. Hey, Henry, put my cup down, please.
I'm sorry.
You're drinking my coffee.
Yours? So sorry. I only took 3 sips. Action.
Straight to jail.
I see. Mr. Sanchez, I have been protecting you and this property for years. Unfortunately, I can't remember the line at the moment. My mind's just gone blank, so I'm just going to continue.
Straight to jail.
I see. Mr. Sanchez, I've been protecting. Hey,
Practice your lines, man.
I know, right? I wish I wrote you down. All right. Hey guys, I just want to take a minute and kind of highlight something special. I want to say a special thank you to the entire cast and crew You all were amazing to work with. It's very humbling as a director to get to work with amazing talent. And the entire cast and crew were amazing. But I wanted to highlight in this video the Adams, both Gordon Adams and his wife Natasha Calloway. Natasha is a comedian, a professional comedian. And so I thought, you know what the heck, I might as well see and let's give her some time to freestyle. It is so amazing to watch somebody who is so just fine-tuned into her craft that you can say, okay, Natasha, go. And she can just go. And I wanted to kind of highlight one of her reels here at the back of this video. It was a pleasure to work with you. I'm looking forward to working and finishing this film with you guys and having you guys up to Montana. That being said, guys, enjoy this.
Mr. Morgan, he okay. But that woman, lunatic. The chick is crazy. I saw her grab a chicken barehanded, wring his neck, and just drop it on the ground. She didn't even eat the chicken. She didn't want the chicken. She just killed the chicken because she could kill the chicken. Something wrong with her. Cheese slid off the cracker. She got no sandwiches in the picnic basket. She got access to the penthouse, stopping at the 3rd floor. Lady crazy as hell. The other day, I saw her in the hallway. She was talking loud, just loudly. Yeah. I went around the corner to see who she was talking to. Nobody there. Nobody there. Do you understand how worried I am to be in the same space with this chick? She walk around with this nail or something in her hand and she's just spinning and look at me and just snarl. I don't want that nail in my head. You gonna set me up? I'm Master Chief. I thought we was cool. I thought you cared about me. We woman to woman.
Enough.
I think she need drugs. Okay. You can count on me. Ooh. Lieutenant Adams, my man.
Cut. Yeah, that was great.